Hi friends, welcome to Career Polygon. Options Infinite. In our channel, we discuss job opportunities for mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and civil engineering, BTech BE graduates, and diploma graduates. Even though we are discussed on these three main branches, there are some vacancies for other branch graduates to apply. So please watch our video till the end. The most important specialty of our video series is we have stamped some of the offerings or opportunities described as future guaranteed through our long expertise with career guidance. So please be with us till the end. Please subscribe, share this video to your friends and relatives also. In this video we have 10 private sector jobs, 5 government sector jobs and 4 apprenticeship training. Airport Authority of India, a Government of India public sector enterprise, is entrusted with the responsibility of creating, upgrading, maintaining and managing civil aviation infrastructure both on ground and air space in the country. AAE has been conferred with the Miniratna Category 1 status. Name of the post: Junior Executive Air Traffic Control. Number of positions 264. Essential qualification: BE, BTech in any discipline including mechanical, electrical and civil. Experience: if no experience required, freshers can apply. Name of the post: Junior Executive Air Traffic Control. Emoluments: the grade of 40,000 to 1,40,000 grade with a 3% annual increment. Other allowances are dearness allowance, percent 35%, etc. Is Junior Executive Airport Operations. Number of positions 83. Essential qualification BE, BTech. Experience if any, no. Freshers can apply. Emoluments 40,000 to 1,40,000 with 3% annual increment. In addition to basic pay, dearness allowance. In addition to basic pay, DA, percent 35% of basic pay, HRA and other benefits which include CPF, gratuity, SSS, medical benefits are admissible as per AAI rules. Next post is Manager Fire Service. Number of openings 11. Essential qualification BE, BTech degree in fire engineering or mechanical engineering or automobile engineering. Experience if any. Post Manager Technical. Number of openings 2. Essential qualification BE, BTech degree in mechanical or automobile. Experience 5 years experience in executive the field of government procurement, procedures of goods, services, etc. Emoluments 60,000 to 1,80,000 at a 3%. Date for online application is 15th December 2020. Last date for online application is 14th January 2021. To apply online through the link available in www.aai.aero. Please see the details given in the screen. Next is offering in National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation. National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation is a fully owned company of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India. The company promotes, surveys, establishes, designs, builds, operates, maintains and upgrades national highways. And of the post consultant civil. Number of posts 2. Essential qualification BE, BTech degree in civil engineering. Interested candidates may send his or her application in the enclosed format in the notification with the supporting documents on the address given in the screen. The last date for receiving application offline mode is 26th December 2020. For more details, please visit the website BECIL invites application on behalf of Embeda from eligible and qualified candidates for filling of manpower purely on contract basis and deployment of qualified candidates at the regional, sub-regional divisions located at Vijayawada, Bhimavaram and Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh of Marine Products Export Development Authority Embeda under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. Name of the post: Field Technician Officer GIS. Qualification: any degree including BTech. Age maximum 35 years. Experience desirable: 2 years of working with GIS remote sensing application. Freshers also can apply. Number of the post: 2. Consolidated remuneration is 30,000. Initial employment is for 6 months, likely to be extended further according to the performance of the recruitees. Application should be submitted online only for the above post. For applying, please visit BECIL website given in the screen. Go to the career section and then click. Applications are invited for the post of Project Associate Civil and Project Associate Electrical in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Name of the post: Project Associate Civil. Number of positions: 4. Essential qualification: BE, BTech in Civil Engineering. Experience, if any, 2 years experience is required. Emoluments 28,000 plus HRI of 24%. Application invited for the following post purely on contract basis. Appointment initially for the period of 1 year but extendable on yearly basis upon satisfactory performance. Name of the post: Project Associate Electrical. Number of positions: 3. Essential qualification: BE, BTech in Electrical Engineering. Experience required: 2 years of experience in electrical works. Emoluments 28,000 plus HRI 24%. This is also a purely contract basis. Appointment is usually for a period of 1 year but extendable on yearly basis upon satisfactory performance. Candidates who are decided to be considered strictly on the aforesaid terms and conditions may fill the application form on the link given the screen on or before 10th December 2020. Next is CIMFR, Central Institute of Mines and Fuel Research, invites application for enthusiastic Indians with a requisite qualification, experience and a high degree of motivation and desire to take up the job of Technical Officers Grade 3 in this website. CSIR, Central Institute of Mines and Fuel Research, Dhanbad, is a premier ISO 9001 certified research institute under the aegis of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, an autonomous body under development of scientific and industrial research, Government of India. Its vision is to be an internationally acclaimed mining and fuel research organization, and its mission is to develop and deliver sustainable cutting-edge technologies for social upliftment and industrial advancement. Name of the post: Technical Officer. Number of openings 23. Essential qualification: BE, BTech in Mechanical Engineering, Civil, Mining or Electrical. Experience required. Emoluments 44,900 as a basic. Eligible candidates may visit CIMFR website given in the screen and download the application form. Application, the prescribed form, may be submitted on A4 size paper. Offline application is required. Registered post: the application should be submitted to this office 2nd December 2020 by 5:30 p.m. to be sent the given address. invites men and women from Indian citizens to be a part of an Indian Air Force as commissioned officers in flying and ground duty, technical and non-technical branches. Registration for the online application will be opened 1st December 2020 and closed on 13th December 2020. Total number of posts 235. Essential qualification BE BTech in mechanical, civil, electrical and other branches. Age limit for flying category it is 20 to 24. Ground duty category it is 20 to 26. The grade of 56,100 to 1,77,500 plus MSP of 15,500. Allowance in addition to the pay. Allowances are applicable based on the nature of duty, placing of posting to include flying, technical field area, special compensatory hill area, special force, Siachen Island special duty. Such allowances will be given for this post. Last date of apply online is 13th December 2020. Please visit this website given in the screen. Next, apprenticeship trainings. First is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited required graduate apprentice engineers, only civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics and telecommunication, instrumentation, computer science and IT. HPCL Maharatna Company. HPCL owns and operates 2 major refineries and producing a wide variety of petroleum fuels specialties, one in Mumbai and one in Visakhapatnam. HPCL is also owned and operates the largest lube refinery in the country, producing lube-based oils of international standards with a capacity of 428 TMT. This lube refinery accounts for over the 40% of the India's total lube oil-based oil production. Age limit is 18 to 25 years. There will be age relaxation for reserve category candidates as per government norms. Stipend of 25,000 will be given. Apply online to visit the portal of mhrdnice.gov.in. To apply on NICE portal, first you register your details in NICE portal and get login credentials if you are first time for apply. Log into the NICE portal using your user ID or email ID and password obtained after enrollment. Establishment from drop menu, that is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Once you click on apply button, a message appears as given below. Successfully applied for the training position. Based on availability, you will be contracted by the establishment. Next is engagement of graduate apprentice under Apprenticeship Act 1961 in IREL India Limited, Chavara, Kerala. Graduate apprentice, number of opening mechanical 3, civil 1, electrical 1. Interested and eligible candidates must register themselves in the NICE portal of MHRD, then apply in the prescribed form given in the Annex A of this notification. It should be preferably typewritten on A4 size paper. The outer cover should be superscribed as given in the screen, and the application should be reach the address given in the screen on or before 7th December 2020. Next is graduate apprenticeship in Goa Shipyard Limited. Goa Shipyard Limited is one of the few Indian shipyards equipped with an in-house design capability. GSL carries out its own research and development in the process, developing in an in-house product range that efficiently meets the specific requirements of the clients in the defense as well as commercial sectors in the fields of design, construction, repair and modernization of vessels. Most new shipbuilding projects at GSL are based on our own in-house design, the results of intensive R&D activity carried out over the years. Currently, the company is developing a range of petrol vessels from 29 meter to 11 meter. It's a future-ready opening for graduates BTech BE. The name of the opening: Graduate Engineering Apprentice. Qualification: BE BTech in Civil, Mechanical, Electrical. Number of opening 15. Those who have completed the essential qualification, that is degree in relevant stream during the year 2019 and 2020, are only eligible. Apply online to the site given in the screen, and the last date for apply online is 11th December 2020. It is huge recruitment of apprentices in SBI, State Bank of India. Engagement of apprentice under the Apprentice Act 1961. Applications are invited from Indian citizens for the engagement as apprentice under the Apprenticeship Act 1961. Candidates can apply for engagement in one state only. Candidates can appear the examination only once under this engagement. Number of posts 8,500 all India. Candidates can apply to one state only. Age 20 to 28. Qualification: graduates BE BTech. Stipend benefit: the apprentices are eligible for stipend of 15,000 per month during the first year, 16,500 per month during the second year, and 19,000 per month during third year. For more details and visit this website given. Next is private jobs. First is Tata Projects. Projects invites application for the post of non-API inspector. Name of the post: non-API inspector. Qualification required: BE BTech Mechanical or Metallurgy. There is a mandatory certification of ASND level 2 is required. Experience of 3 years as a QA/QC of piping, modification of vessel, columns, etc. Job location: Batinda, Punjab. If interested, please share your updated CV to the given address in the screen. About Tata Projects. Tata Projects is one of the fastest growing and most admired industrial infrastructure companies in India. It has expertise in executing large and complex urban and industrial infrastructure projects. The company provides turnkey solutions to refineries, roads, bridges, integrated rail and metro systems, commercial buildings and airports, and power generation, transmission, distribution systems, chemical process plants, water and wastewater management, and mining and metal purification systems. Next is L&T Hydrocarbon. L&T Hydrocarbon invites application from mechanical, civil, fire and safety, and electrical engineers for various posts. L&T Hydrocarbon Engineering is an engineering, procurement, fabrication, construction, project management company providing integrated design to build solutions to the entire hydrocarbon industry. The company is a wholly owned subsidiary of Larsen & Toubro Limited, a $21 billion technology, engineering, construction, projects, manufacturing and financial service conglomerate. L&T Hydrocarbon Engineering brings with itself more than 3 decades of proven experience and extensive capability backed by digitalization. The company adheres to global quality norms and health, safety and environment HSE standards, ensuring reliability and on-time delivery. Role: engineer. Qualification: BE BTech in civil. Experience of 5 years of experience is required. Number of positions 6. Employment status: permanent. Job location: Vadodara. Job description: to study the basic engineering design document and other documents necessary to carry out further engineering activities, to ensure that engineers and designers in his team are aware of specific job requirements, and to ensure that department quality procedures are adopted consistently, to perform and review check engineering calculations, drawings, and review plan 3D models as required. 4. Should have sound fundamentals in civil and structural engineering. 5. Shall have hand-on experience in utilizing STAAD Pro. 6. Shall have necessary skills and knowledge to check design, calculation, and drawing for foundation and structures. 7. Exposure to design and foundations, structures, and other civil works such as pits, ponds for refinery, petrochemicals, or power plants is required. Next, junior engineer static equipment. Qualification: BE BTech Mechanical. Experience of 5 years. Number of positions 18. Employment status permanent. Job location Vadodara. Please read the job description seen in the screen. Those who are to apply for the above post, please go through the job description given in the screen. Apply online for the above post in the website given in the screen. Next is BGR Energy. BGR Energy applications are invited from BTech graduates in civil, electrical, mechanical for the following posts. About the company was originally incorporated in 1985 as a joint venture between GEA Energietechnik GmbH Germany and the promoter BG Rekhupati to manufacture and sell online condenser tube cleaning system, debris filters, rubber cleaning balls used in thermal and nuclear power plants. In 1983, BG Rekhupati and members of his family became the sole shareholders of the company and began to expand the range of product and service in power and oil gas industries. The company was changed its name to GE Energy Systems India to BGR Energy Systems Limited. Role: engineer, senior engineer. Qualification required: BE electrical mechanical. Experience required 2 years. The capacity: exposure to design electrical machines, turbo generators or HT motors, knowledge of electrical calculation, ventilation calculation, strength calculations, firm analysis, estimation procedures, AutoCAD, Pro-E, Hypermesh, ANSYS, Patran, Abacus and PDMS. Role: Deputy Manager Electrical, Deputy Manager Civil. Qualification: BTech Electrical or BTech Civil. Department: various department, generator, field engineering service, etc. Experience: 5 to 8 years experience is required. Next role: Deputy Manager, Department Petrochemicals Refineries. Qualification required: BE Mechanical, 8 years experience, project control, execution, customer correspondence is required. For more details and for apply, visit the website given in the screen. Next is Toyo Engineering India Private Limited. Toyo Engineering India Private Limited invites application for its HSE quality department. Toyo Engineering India Private Limited, or Toyo India, an engineering and consultancy contracting company, is a perfect blend of Japanese technology and management practices with a future-ready opening. Department: Quality Management. Role: Engineer. Education qualification: BE Chemical, Mechanical, Instrumentation, Electrical, Civil from a recognized university or board. Number of posts: 2. Experience required 5 years. Job location: Kanjurmarg, ETTC. Next, role: Site HSE Officer. Number of posts: 15. Qualification required: BE in Engineering, mechanical, electrical, chemical, civil, and diploma in advanced diploma in industrial safety from a state technical board. Experience required of 4 years experience. For apply, visit the website given in the screen. Next is Deepak Novacom. Deepak Novacom invites applications to the following position: executive or senior executive, project purchase. Experience 3 to 5 years needed. Location Lotte, Ratnagiri. Education qualification BE, chemical or mechanical. The requirements: should have experience in project engineering, procurement planning, raising PO, follow-up, etc. Please read carefully all the details given in the site and in the screen before applying for the post. Next is Newton Engineering Chemicals. Chemicals invites application for the following post: 1. QA QC engineer. 2. Safety manager. 3. Welding engineer. Newton Engineering was established as a private limited company in 1982 as a reliable partner in executing lump sum turnkey project as well as construction of plants in the field of petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, refineries, fertilizers, power and chemicals industries. Our consistent performance and excellent growth are contributed by our team of well qualified and experienced engineers and supported by a quality conscious and dynamic management. Role QA QC engineer, welding engineer, safety manager. Qualification BE in engineering in the field of mechanical, electrical, civil. If you are looking for an excellent career growth, send your resume to the given web address in the screen, and for more details visit the website of Newton Engineering and Chemicals given in the screen. Next is Gundumac India Limited. Gundumac India is invited applications for the post of sales engineer and senior sales engineer. Gundumac stands for Global Industrial Machinery Cluster and is a leading company in international used machinery trading market. We operate globally with a wide network of used machinery experts and offices in Germany, Spain and India. Our international team is committed to craft the future of used machinery trading on a global scale. Role: sales engineer, location Delhi, education BE, experience 2 years. A requirement is targeted oriented experience in CNC industrial machines, ability to work in team. Please send your application by email to the given address in the screen. Next role is CAD/CAM engineer, sales and support, location Mumbai, Vadodara, Pune, Bangalore, Delhi, education BE, mechanical, experience 2 to 3 years. Require experience in any CAD/CAM software connected to CNC machines, preferable experience of CNC turn punch press, laser cutting machines, ready to travel all over India. Please send your application by email to the given address immediately. Next is Lanco India Limited. Requires trainee industrial engineers in jobs in Gurgaon, Chennai, Hyderabad. Lanco India, one of the India's leading business entities, Lanco Infrastructure Limited, has been driving growth in the domains of engineering, procurement and construction, power, solar, natural resources and infrastructure over the last 2.5 decades. It continues focus on innovation, expansion together with its commitment to the quality and excellence has contributed significantly to the progress that company has made over the short span of time. The 25-year-old Lanco Group is today uniquely poised to attain leadership position in its areas of operation. Job type: full-time. Job role: engineer, core, non-IT. Job category: core, technical. Hiring process: face-to-face interview who can apply freshers. Trainee industrial engineer, online apply, visit the website given in the screen. Next is GM Modular. GM Modular invites application for the post of Senior Executive Procurement. Founded in 2000, GM have always been at the forefront of home electrical solutions that have exceeded the market requirements and expectations. It makes us proud to have made space for good technology in every home. GM with 4-5 redefined switch manufacturing in India. We have been catering better lives to our customers across the country. GM as a company introduced innovation that incorporates advanced and imaginative products that transform the people's lives tremendously. Role Senior Executive or Assistant Manager Procurement. Qualification: any graduation, BTech in electrical is more preferable. Experience required 5, but fresh BTech in electrical, BTech may consider as training. Apply immediately to the web address given in the screen. Next is Caterpillar India Limited. Caterpillar India Limited invites application for various posts including Associate Engineer, Design Electrical. Caterpillar India, with its 2019 sales and revenues of $53.8 billion, Caterpillar is the world leading manufacturer of construction and mining equipment, diesel and natural gas engines, industrial gas turbines, and diesel electric locomotive. Services offered throughout the product life cycle, cutting edge technology, and decades of product expertise set Caterpillar apart, providing exceptional value to help our customers succeed. The company principally operates through 3 primary segments: construction industries, resource industries, and energy and transportation. Job description: Associate Engineer, location Bengaluru, required qualification, bachelor's degree in electrical engineering or related discipline, excellent analytical skill, ability to communicate effectively. 1 to 2 years of job related experience. Caterpillar is an equal opportunity employer. It gives all qualified individuals, including minorities, females, veterans, individuals with disabilities, are encouraged to apply. Caterpillar is an equal opportunity employer. Please note that. A future guaranteed open we are offering at Caterpillar. Other openings in Caterpillar are Engineer Genset Testing, location Bangalore, qualification mechanical or electrical engineering degree with 8 to 10 years experience in complex system testing and validation. Another is Engineer Genset Design Electrical, location Bangalore, qualification electrical engineering degree. Apply online for all the above posts in the given address in the screen. This is all for today's employment news. We will be back with another very shortly. Be with us. Thank you. Please subscribe and share and comment on this video.